Good news, AI is boosting enterprise efficiency and propelling innovation. The bad news, enterprises are using data repositories, often packed with sensitive and proprietary information, to train these models. It's a ticking time bomb. When sensitive data leaks into AI models, privacy violations, data breaches, and fines under GDPR and HIPAA become real risks. The culprit? A lack of data pipeline visibility and advanced data mapping. Without a clear view of data flows and hidden sensitive info, it's hard to control what's fed into AI models. That's where real-time data analysis and policy enforcement come in, helping data and security teams filter out sensitive and confidential data before AI systems can access it. But in most dynamic hybrid IT environments, where data is constantly moving and new AI projects keep emerging, it's a challenge. So, how do you leverage AI and keep your data safe? Introducing the Normalyze DSPM platform. Normalyze is a DSPM platform purpose-built for modern hybrid enterprises that integrates with 400+ data sources, rapidly discovers and classifies your data, uses AI to detect data exposure risks, vulnerabilities, and anomalies, and guides users to the appropriate remediation actions. In this demo, you'll see how Normalyze helps you leverage AI safely and securely. We're going to start by looking at how Normalyze can identify sensitive and valuable data exposed to your AI services. First, navigate to the Inventory tab, then go to Data Stores. From there, select AI Services and choose AWS Bedrock. Now, click on the ARPS Target Data Store. Right away, you'll notice that Normalyze flagged this data store due to the sensitive entities it contains. You can dive deeper by clicking on the Classification tab, where you'll see more details about the sensitive entities that Normalyze detected, including social security numbers, addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses. Curious about the actual data? Click on the Snippets tab to get a first-hand view of the sensitive or confidential data that's at risk of being exposed to your AI services. As a data security engineer, you might also want to know which AI model is using this data. To find out, head to the AWS Bedrock tab. There, you'll see that the Job X model is being trained on your sensitive data. Finally, you can go to the Open Risks tab, where you can resolve or escalate risks, helping you maintain security without missing a beat. That was AWS Bedrock, but Normalyze can handle all the popular AI cloud services. So let's see how it does with GCP Vertex AI. And this time, let's see how Normalyze identifies the data pipelines that are using your sensitive data. Once again, go to Data Stores, then under AI Services, select GCP Vertex, and click on this data store. Immediately, you can see that this data store contains sensitive entities. You'll also notice at a glance that there are 3 data sets, 2 consuming your sensitive data. To dive deeper, click on the GCP Vertex AI tab. Here, you can see which AI training pipelines are accessing this data, as well as which AI model is being trained on it. With this information, your data and security engineers can ensure that your sensitive information isn't being exposed to AI. Finally, since your data and security engineers cannot constantly monitor the console, let's see how Normalyze automatically alerts them when sensitive, valuable, training, or RAG data is detected. To do this, we'll set up an automation. Start by navigating to the Investigation tab. Go to the Automation section and click on Add New here. We'll give it a name. Select AI Services for the signature tag. Select the appropriate level of impact and likelihood, and select the risk signatures that are associated with identifying sensitive data in AWS Bedrock. And that's it. Now you can choose to select the action Normalyze takes, and whenever sensitive or confidential data is detected in your AI workflows, your team will be automatically notified, and they can take action immediately. Only Normalyze helps you secure your AI LLM data with data pipeline visibility. Provides insights into LLM data pipelines, real-time data analysis, uses APIs to analyze LLM accessible data in real time. Advanced data mapping. Identify and map data stores across multiple cloud environments. Policy enforcement. Facilitate the enforcement of access governance for sensitive data. By preventing sensitive and confidential data from being exposed to your AI and LLM models, Normalyze lets you safely and securely deploy AI and LLMs. With Normalyze, you can screen your cloud and on-prem data stores for sensitive data that can be accessed by LLMs.